Hi! So today you see we practice some fingerstyle technique and we do the tremolo or like triplet strum. By the way, my name is Doña, and if you're interested to hop on the boat of my journey of the great planet of the ukeverse, join me and I show you what I am learning at the moment so far. So anyway, we go ahead with tremolo style. We use first string only and fret 3, 5, 7. Okay? Nothing else. So with the right hand, we use the thumb for walking up and down, the fourth string, the third string, and the second. Okay? And the first string, we use our both fingers, the index and the middle finger. And whatever you prefer, use middle index or index middle. So normally it is taught by most of the teachers like middle index, but everybody has a different anatomy, so do what is easier and smoother for you, especially for legato style. What we did practice, I think it was last week or the week before. And you can check out my playlist, How to Uke. Then you will see it. Anyway, so the tremolo is like a 3 strum, or we can call it triplet, like 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, or 3/4 or 4/4 measure, whatever we need at the moment. So at the moment we practice with a 3/4 beat, and we start with the C, and we start with the 4th string, 1 triplet, 3rd string, 2 triplet, 3rd string, 3 triplet. I repeat, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. And then we change to fret number 5 and the same procedure from the beginning. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. We jump to the 5th fret and the same procedure. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. And from the beginning. I was mean, I did change between the strings. But start with easiness and do all 3 strings on 1 key. So, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 5th fret, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 7th fret, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. Okay, so practice this in slow motion. Maybe start with 45 BPM. It sounds very slowly at the moment, but if you want to practice and to get your fingers smooth, the slower you play, the better you can play fast. Try it. See you in the next round. Love you, Doña.